So quick one guys, majority wa ni a mọ ìwúlò ewé yìí. Take a look at it very well. Yoruba do call it ewé Abamoda. This is it. Ewé Abamoda. Why Igbo call it miracle leaf? The English name rather is miracle leaf. So today I'll be teaching you how to use it to cure a cough. Whenever you are coughing, or your husband is coughing, or you yourself you are coughing, it's not that hard. All you need to do is just calm down, watch this video from the beginning to the end. Yoruba call it ewé Abamoda. Why the English call it miracle leaf? Take a look at it very well. Take a look at it very well. You only need 2 items, which is miracle leaf and salt. Just pinch of salt in your tea. It's not that hard. So whenever your maybe your son or your child is coughing, or you yourself you are coughing, all you need to do is just take this miracle leaf, the 2. As you can just pick 2 leaves or only 1. Ema fisi orino tebanda. Just put it on top of the food you are cooking so that it's going to soft. So that so all you need to do is just take it and squeeze it careful. Spoon kẹ́ wá fi iyọ̀ díẹ̀ kẹ́ wá fi sí, kẹ́ wá fún ọmọ yín lò. Kẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní àárọ̀, kẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ọ̀sán, kẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní alẹ́. Kẹ́yin wá wo outcome. So this is one of the importance of miracle leaf. In my next video, I will be dropping the part 2. The part 2 of whatever, as in the part 2 of what you can use miracle leaf to do, because it cures so many things. But this is one of the things